I was scrolling through YouTube and came across this voice audio recording of Neville Goddard. For anybody who doesn't know him, Manifestation King, Law of Assumption King. The video was titled, How to Manifest Anything in 4 Minutes. So obviously it caught my attention. I'm going to use the same title in this video. He compared manifesting something to being pregnant. All you have to do is to sit in a place, quietly laying down, closing your eyes, listening to music, not listening to music, it doesn't matter. Experience for at least 5 minutes the feeling of having your manifestation. For 5 minutes, give yourself time not to doubt. For 5 minutes, give yourself time to just enjoy it like you have it, because you do have it, you own it, you are God. But once those 5 minutes are up and you experience that kind of explosion of just being happy and knowing that what you desire has come to fruition, it's kind of like getting pregnant. Once you're pregnant with that baby, it only takes once, you're not going to continue to try again. Do not do one thing after that to try to get your desire. Because guess what? If you try, then it didn't work. If you keep checking the 3D reality, then it didn't work. You got to get yourself to the state of, oh my God, I have what I want. Because if you're in that state, you wouldn't be looking up manifestation methods after that. You wouldn't be constantly checking the 3D reality. You would be living in the end, knowing that what you desired is coming to you. You wouldn't be waiting on divine timing. You would just have the pure confidence that it is going to happen. So when you're pregnant, you're not going to do anything for the next 9 months. You're just going to let it come to fruition. Baby's gonna come, which is your manifestation, that baby. So once you put it out into the universe, it's kind of like you don't even have to wait. It's nothing you're waiting for. It's something that you're expecting to happen, and you're confident it's gonna happen without constantly having to take pregnancy tests, I guess.